girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Make me wanna make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me wanna, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose
yourself in time out. Lately you've been feeling so good, to forget my future, never pull out. Say the money to make it easier for me to run and hide out somewhere. I've been through poppy pills, dodging evil witches. These houses keep dropping everywhere. Promise to get a little better as I get older. And you so crazy, stick away. Promise to do better, still good about it.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Ashimary hair, and today I'm reviewing this beautiful bob unit, and I love the layers. We have to get into the layers. This unit is literally all about the layers, and I did add a little extra here just to kind of help blend everything together, and I really love how this turned out. More than anything, I really love this copper colored unit. I haven't done a unit like this in a while, and I love wearing these kinds of units, especially around this time of year. And I feel like my eyebrows even look really good with this unit. Like, I feel like everything just matches so perfectly, and it's something different for me. This unit came pre-styled. It already came with a C-curved part, but I did ended up shifting mine over a little bit. Luckily for me, this is a 13x4 lace frontal unit. You get a ton of space on this unit, so you're able to adjust it, and that's exactly what I did today, and I absolutely love how this unit came out. It already came like pretty straight, so I didn't have to like run the flat iron through it too many times. I'm more so like focused on the ends on this side, and on this other side I did like thoroughly go through. But I do like mine behind the ear. It's really just optional. You can even add more layers to this. I do currently have my unit in a 16-inch, so if you're wondering how long this is a 16-inch unit, and I love the length. I feel like it's the perfect length, especially for this particular look with the heavy layering going on. As you guys can see, like, the layers are just on point. I absolutely love the way that they cut this unit. But if you wanted to, you can cut it a little bit more up top, and you can curl the entire thing. It will look so beautiful. And I did add some concealer into my part. I just used this LA Pro concealer, and then I also used this angled brush to help with brightening that part up, and it gives you a more natural look, so you don't see any type of knots. But speaking of knots, the knots on this unit do come bleached, and this unit comes pre-plucked to perfection. One of the first things that I noticed when I unboxed this unit was how amazing the hairline was. The hairline was pre-plucked so well. The knots are really tiny on this unit. I would say they have the bye-bye knot kind of vibe going on with this one. And I really love the root color. I feel like they picked the perfect root color for it. On camera, it looks like just a regular black root, but it's actually not. It's more of like, it's almost like this, how would I describe this color? It's like a dark reddish brown kind of color. It's more brown than anything. And I did go ahead and just do a little bit of baby hairs here, nothing too crazy. And I did use this Tastemaker holding spray. This is literally just some hairspray you can use. I didn't use the Got to Be Glued because I feel like this, I don't know, sometimes I like doing my baby hairs with this. Sometimes I feel like it looks better without it. And then as far as installing this unit, I did use the Got to Be Glued to install this unit. But here in this center part where it looks like really good and natural, I actually didn't use any glue right there. As you guys saw, I ended up using this off camera, and that was just to like melt this part here, and I feel like it looks really good. Yeah, you guys, this unit looks so good. Absolutely love the way this came out. I feel like that is like the main thing that's just like bringing it all together, and what makes it stand out even more than just like your average bob that will probably hit up to like here, and then, you know, but this just gives like a totally different vibe. I just use this flat iron. This is from my store Taste Levels. I no longer sell these. I might bring them back this year though. This goes up to 480 degrees. It's a titanium plate flat iron, and you're able to flat iron your hair and curl your hair with this. And this is what I use to just bump the ends and just give them a little bit more volume. them, and it just turned out so good. But I love how natural the hairline is. It looks really nice whether you want to add baby hairs or not. This is a really well put together Ashy like unit. Now, one of the things that I have to talk about is the construction of this unit. This unit does have the elastic band that's at the top, and then it also has adjustable straps in the back, and it has a third strap, which is the new pull strap, and I love it. It's very quick and easy to adjust. I would prefer doing it before you actually put the unit on, but when you put the unit on, it is still easy to just reach in the back, pull to your liking, and then you just pull that little button looking piece, you just slide that up, and that's what tightens the unit and gives you such a great fit. And that's very important to me, especially being someone who has a smaller head. A lot of units tend to fit a lot larger on me, so I really do love that feature, and I like the fact that this fits me so snug. But I'm not going to talk you guys ear off today. I really do like this unit. If you guys are interested in picking it up yourself, I will leave a link for it down below along with all the details. Shout out to Ashimary here for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.